Welcome to this gorgeous contemporary-style home with top-of-the-line amenities. It's ideally situated on a quiet cul-de-sac, backing to green space. Heading inside, you'll discover a beautiful interior with high vaulted ceilings, stunning hardwood floors, and abundant natural light. The remodeled kitchen is a chef's delight with granite counters, a huge cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, and eating bar. Take in amazing sunset views from the expansive front terrace. Double doors lead to a den or office. You're always ready for movie night in the custom-built home theater with sound system. The private wooded backyard with a hot tub is perfect for entertaining. The upper level echoes the same attention to detail. You can relax in this spacious master suite. It features a spa-like soaking tub, dual sink vanity, and a large walk-in closet. Just down the hall, you'll find a second master suite. Complete with a full bath and a walk-in closet. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has plenty of space with more than 2,800 square feet. Living here, you'll love its convenient location, close to Nike, Intel, walking trails, schools, shopping, and freeways. A fantastic home offering style and sophistication. It's all here waiting for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.